Let's take a look at the spraying system on the T40. So we'll start at the tank and we'll move through the system to the nozzles. So first off, the tank, it is 40 liters. So T40 stands for 40 liters. That means 10.5 gallon. Inside the tank, filter just like always, same opening, and we can see at the very bottom there is a liquid level sensor. That is an empty tank sensor. So when the tank's empty, that level sensor drops and it knows that it's empty. It's just verification. Now, it also has another way to measure the liquid level, and that is by weight. So the tank actually sits on 3 scales here. And there's a calibration you do, and essentially after you calibrate it, then it knows how much volume is in the tank by weight. That way you can do a live level readout. Now on the back side here, we can access the pumps really easily. This cover comes off, and you see out of the tank, it goes into the pump assembly here. So there's your drain plug right here, and you can actually take off this cap here and unpin your pumps just like that. You can access a filter which is located inside of there. Okay, so after it comes through the filter and it goes into these pumps, so pump 1, pump 2, these pumps are rotary style pumps. It runs an unpressurized spray system, so it can actually run smaller pumps and achieve a greater output. The T40 has a 12 liter per minute, or about a little over 3 gallon per minute output. So it runs through the pumps, goes through a flow meter. This is a dual electromagnetic flow meter. Then it runs up through these hoses, up through the arms. So the tube goes through the arms, down to the center of this motor. The motor actually has a hollow shaft. And so the tube goes through the center of the motor and out right here. And then it comes in this assembly and is injected in the center of this disc, which rotates. So these are rotary style nozzles. It doesn't use any kind of T-jet nozzle. This is how it can use an unpressurized spray system, because it achieves atomization not by pressure, but by rotating this nozzle at varying RPMs and spreading that spray pattern out. So the faster it rotates, the smaller droplets it sends out. The slower it rotates, the larger droplets that it sends out. Let's take a look at the T30.